Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Samsung Cloud app in 2026 and we will understand whether it is actually worth using. So Samsung Cloud is a cloud storage service which is made for Samsung devices. It is going to let you store your data online instead of only keeping it on your phone. You can use it to back up the important data and access it later from another devices. Samsung Cloud mainly helps you with backing up your phone's data, syncing the contacts, the notes, and the settings, restoring the data when you switch or reset your phone. So, if you ever lose your phone or upgrade to a new one, your data can be restored easily. So, it can store various things like contacts, messages, call logs, photos, videos, apps, settings, notes, calendars, and Wi Fi information. Basically, it is going to keep a backup of your entire phone setup. Now, Samsung Cloud is changing in 2026. Samsung is moving away from OneDrive and bringing back its own cloud storage system for Galaxy devices. So, you usually get some of the free storage, around 15 GB absolutely for free. Plus, extra storage may require a paid plan. So, the real question here is it actually worth using in 2026? So Samsung Cloud is definitely worth it if you want automatic backups, if you use Samsung devices regularly, and if you want easy data transfer to a new phone. But if you already use Google Drive or other cloud services, you might not need it that much. If this video helped you understand Samsung Cloud better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.